Big set of numbers. The government has released the retail inflation data for the month of October, and it's come in at a record low. Lata Venkatesh joins us now. Lata, please take us through the numbers.
Well, actually, the inflation number has come in as expected. Our poll threw up a number of 0.25%, which is a ridiculously low number. Of course, after the new CPI number came in, a new CPI index came in 2013, this is the lowest ever. Last month also was the lowest ever. But 0.25%, even perhaps historically, would rank in as one of the lowest numbers we have got. And the big culprit or the big contributor is food inflation, which is a deflation. It's coming in at minus 5.02. As you can see, this is a 5-month consecutive negative number or lower year-on-year food prices that we are getting. The core inflation would be slightly higher. It's a calculated number, but that would perhaps come in at about 4.5% or thereabouts. There again, the base is playing a role, but core inflation is also impacted by gold prices. Gold prices shot up in October, as you remember. That is counted in personal services. And therefore, we have to look at the non-gold core inflation number, which is likely to be highly low. The important point to note is food inflation has come in below our poll. Our poll gave us an average of about minus 4.1. At minus 5.1, it clearly indicates that inflation in coming months is likely to be lower than what the street is prepared for. Items like cereals and pulses have fallen even month on month. And of course, year on year, there has been a massive reduction in these numbers. Cereals inflation stands at 0.9 year on year. Month on month, it has fallen. Likewise, a big fall in vegetables, minus 27% year on year. Remember, a year ago, it was those big potato and tomato inflation, 100 rupees a kilo tomatoes. So all that is leading to a very low number in the current year. The big question, of course, will have to be whether there is a 0.25% inflation will make the Reserve Bank cut. We will discuss that later on in the show. But importantly, inflation in line with expectations, food inflation lower than expectation.
All right. Thank you, Lata, for that. Shifting focus now.